One of the most iconic brands in the world, Motorola is a name known for innovations in communications and electronics. Throughout its history, the company has worked to connect people with each other and the world around them. On September 25, 1928, Paul V. Galvin and his brother Joseph incorporated Motorola's founding company, the Galvin Manufacturing Corporation, in Chicago, Illinois, USA. The company's first product was a battery eliminator, a device that allowed home radios to run on household electricity. In 1930, Galvin Manufacturing introduced one of the first commercially successful car radios. The original Motorola car radio could be installed in most automobiles, putting more fun into driving. "We had to learn all the way," Paul Galvin recalled. "We had no sponsorship, no money, no business." Paul Galvin created the brand name Motorola for the company's new car radio, linking motor for motor car with Ola, which implied sound. Thus, the Motorola brand name meant sound in motion. In 1936, the company expanded into the public safety market. The Motorola Police Cruiser Radio Receiver, a redesigned car radio set to receive police broadcasts, was the company's first entry into the new field of wireless mobile communications. Station transmitters and two-way radios soon followed, making Galvin Manufacturing a pioneer manufacturer of complete wireless networks. Building on the success of the Motorola brand, Galvin Manufacturing entered the home radio market with a new line of table and console radios that diversified the company's consumer business. World War II presented new challenges. In 1940, Galvin engineers developed the handy-talkie two-way portable radio. An icon on battlefronts around the world, the handy-talkie radio was a milestone in portable communications. The company also entered the industrial wireless communications market. Two-way radios served utilities, factories, and service companies. By 1947, the Motorola brand was so well known that Galvin Manufacturing Corporation changed its name to Motorola Incorporated. Motorola continued to develop home entertainment products. The affordable Golden View model was the company's first television.
Shirley Ann is a proud and happy young lady. She's giving a teenage party in her own home.
During the 1950s, Motorola's consumer business grew enormously. Home radios, car radios, and TVs benefited from stylish designs, colors, and materials. In 1955, Motorola debuted a new logo. A company leader said, "There is little rooted tradition about electronics. It is as new as tomorrow, and for that reason we wanted a contemporary symbol." The insignia became the global mark of the Motorola brand.
Paging Dr. X.
Motorola expanded the market for new forms of personal communications. The handy-talkie radio pocket pager could beep a specific person. Pagers began replacing public address systems in hospitals and factories. In the 1960s, Motorola's HT200 two-way portable radio was fully transistorized, a design that reflected the company's new proficiency in semiconductors. Throughout this era, the NASA Space Agency used Motorola radio equipment. In 1969, astronaut Neil Armstrong's first words from the moon were relayed to Earth by a Motorola radio transponder.
It's one small step for man, one giant leap for mankind.
Innovations in semiconductors helped the company grow in the 1970s. The MC6800 microprocessor became an industry standard. Microprocessors also enhanced the capabilities of two-way radios. Motorola's MX300 portable two-way radio worked with new computer-aided radio dispatch systems. In the 1980s, the company developed its first portable wireless computer terminal. The KDT-800 two-way data radio enabled field service personnel to communicate with computers back at their offices. Meanwhile, Motorola two-way radio engineers worked on an emerging type of wireless communications, cellular. The company began research in the late 1960s, investing millions of dollars over the next decade. The risk was rewarded. In 1982, Motorola sold its first cellular system. And in 1983, the United States FCC approved the Dynatac radio telephone, the world's first commercial portable cellular phone. A Motorola designer said, "I remember thinking to myself that if this thing works, everyone is going to have one in their pocket." At first, cellular services were used by business people. This changed in 1989 with the Microtac personal cell phone. Its lightweight and convenient flip design helped people around the world communicate with ease. In 1986, Motorola invented the Six Sigma quality improvement process. Six Sigma provided a common worldwide language for measuring quality. It became a global standard. In 1990, a Motorola business, known as General Instrument Corporation at the time, proposed the first all-digital high-definition television technical standard. This innovation improved television viewing for people around the world. Wireless technologies in the 1990s used different radio channels and standards. Introduced in 1994, Motorola's iDEN system integrated two-way radio, data, and cellular communications in a single network and handset. iDEN systems transformed communications for mobile work teams. Personal communications advanced with the StarTAC wearable cell phone. Its folding design set a new standard. Motorola entered the 2000s with innovative products and systems for wireless and broadband communications. Motorola pioneered the next generation of digital radio networks for public safety users. Project 25 and Tetra internet-based wireless systems enabled the transfer of fingerprints, video, and data using two-way radios. The Canopy wireless broadband system enabled internet service providers to deliver affordable and reliable high-speed internet access. Motorola Mesh Networking allowed public safety users to rapidly create a network of wireless devices linked in a relay system. Video, location, and voice communications could be shared among people, vehicles, and stations. In 2004, Motorola introduced the Razr V3 cell phone. The Razr incorporated unique design and engineering innovations and became a global icon for design excellence and seamless mobility. Motorola's unique heritage as an innovator in consumer electronics and communications technologies continues. Realizing the dream of seamless mobility to make communications go where you go is Motorola's goal.